So I'm considering getting a Galaxy Fold after all. I know, I've been clowning it for weeks, but some things kind of changed and made me consider maybe getting one. I'll tell you why right after this.
This is, you listening to Travis.
What up, players? Welcome back, and for all you new people, welcome. My name's Travis and I do tech videos every single week and have a blast doing them. If that sounds like fun to you, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Anything I talk about will be in the description below, but for now, let's just get into the video. Now, the Galaxy Fold is in a lot of ways one of the most controversial phones coming out this year because so many people are upset about the fact that it's almost $2,000. And really after tax, it's over $2,000. And when it was announced, I'll be honest, I was on a live stream and I was super excited for it until they showed the price. And then I clowned on it. Like, remember this? Oh, you tripping, Samsung, you tripping. But as we get closer and the pre-sales came out just the other day, I kind of like, got the itch. But let me be incredibly clear. Travis, the consumer that buys gadgets and stuff, would never buy this thing. But Travis MCP, the tech channel, he might get it. Basically, I'm saying you don't and probably shouldn't buy this phone. But because I have a tech channel, I can actually make money off the videos. It kind of makes sense. I mean, there probably won't be that many channels with the phone, and I'm sure some of the bigger ones will, but channels around my size are unlikely to have it. So don't you want to know what our feelings are on the phone? Sure you do. So this gives me an excuse to have my channel pay for my phone. And really, to be perfectly honest, I don't think I'm actually going to pay $2,000 for it. Let me explain. The only way I'm going to get this phone is if T-Mobile's Jump plan is offered for it. Now, T-Mobile Jump, if you don't know, is a trade-in program where you pay basically a lease for your phone, and then you can upgrade for at least the version I have, 2 times a year, which means I don't pay full price for a phone. I never pay full price. The most I ever pay is 1 year's worth, which is about half the price. So my Galaxy Note series, I'm only ever paying about $500 to $600 for one of those. And I like to do this because I like to have the newest, latest, and greatest, and that was before having a tech channel. Now that I have one, it's pretty mandatory. The one thing that concerns me is they actually didn't announce whether or not they will have a trade-in for this. And I know a lot of other carriers do have trade-in programs. It is a little bit worrisome that they haven't announced one. I just assume they will. And if they do, this is what I'm gonna do. Later this month, I will get the Galaxy Fold. I will play with it. I will show you all the things. I will fold it many times on this channel, and I will enjoy it and give you all the reviews that you guys can handle. And then I'm gonna trade that sumbiscuit in when the Note 10 comes out. Again, this all depends on whether or not T-Mobile is gonna let me use my Jump on this thing. Then I'll have the channel pay for it, and then, we'll try it out. Listen, I don't know if this thing's gonna be worth it. I really don't know. It's a foldy floppy thing. I'm just glad that if I do get it, I won't actually have to have it for very long. Because if I end up hating this thing, I'm getting rid of it within months. Thankfully, the Note 10 will probably come out within about 3 to 4, maybe at the most 5 months after I get the Fold. Then it won't really matter. But I get it, not everyone has the ability to go out and spend a couple $100s on a phone. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm taking one for the team because this is a first generation product. And as I've said multiple times before, while this may be the future of phones, folding phones may actually end up being really awesome and something that we all have in the future. The first generation is not anything like they're gonna be, and I'm pretty sure parts of it are gonna suck. But far be it from me to not take one for you guys, because let me tell you something, I'm all about that cutting edge life. And why not? YOLO! But what do I expect from the Galaxy Fold? Well, I am interested in the bigger screen. I really like bigger screens now. So the 7-inch, unfolding it, and when I saw the Google Maps on it, actually really appealed to me. I'm not excited at all for the smaller screen when it's folded. I don't know how often I'll use that at all. I suspect that my use will mostly come unfolded. But I could be wrong. See, having never had one of these before, and I don't think anyone really in the world has ever had one of these before, it's hard to know exactly how you'll use it. Will I use it more folded or unfolded? Basically, coming from the screen size of a Note 9, I don't know that I'm ever going to use it folded. I can't think about going down to a less than 5-inch screen. That's really kind of a slap in the face, Samsung. But part of me actually hopes I get seduced by the whole folding phone thing. I mean, I expect if they sell enough of these, which by the way I'll get to in a minute, that they'll have another one next year, and that one will probably be pretty awesome and hopefully not $2,000. But here's the thing. In the pre-order, they talked about that you are not guaranteed to get one. This is really interesting. We've heard that this might be more of a limited run product, and this is smart on Samsung's part. To put out a bunch of these, and they probably won't sell all of them, would be just a terrible idea. But doing a limited run of them and you know, being able to almost beta test and have people pay for it, which is freaking brilliant, is really the way to go with this. So they're gonna minimize the actual potential financial casualties that they may incur in this thing and get some beta testing out of it. That's pretty brilliant. So I guess I'll happily be one of the Galaxy Fold beta testers, as long as I can trade in my Note 9 so I don't have to pay a gazillion dollars, because I ain't doing that. So what do you think about the Galaxy Fold? Do you think I'm gonna like it? What kind of features will you wanna see if I'm able to get it? What do you wanna see me test? Tell me down in the comments below and I'll do my best to do it. But I'm folding and unfolding the hell of that thing. I can't wait. If this video helped you out in any way, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. And if it didn't, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I'm here every single week, having a blast. Hope to see you again real soon. Peace and love, peace and love.